Find Fourier half-range sine series representation for the function f of x equals e raised to x where x belongs to open interval 0 to 1. Since we wish to have only sine functions in the Fourier series representation, we will extend the function f of x to the range -1 to 0 as an odd function. Thus, we will get capital F of x as an odd function valid for the range x belongs to open interval -1 to 1. Since capital F of x is an odd function, we will have Fourier coefficients a0 and an equals 0. We have -1 to 1 equated to general interval c, c plus 2l. Thus, we have c equals -1 and c plus 2l equals 1. From these two equations, we will get L equals 1. We have Fourier coefficient Bn equals 1 by L integral minus L to L capital F of x into sin pi n x by L into dx, where L equals 1. We have capital F of x as well as sin pi n x by L are both odd functions, and since product of two odd functions will be even, we have integral minus L to L capital F of x into sin pi n x by L into dx can be replaced by 2 times integral 0 to L capital F of x into sin pi n x divided by L into dx. We have capital F of x coincides with small f of x in the range interval 0 to 1. Thus, we have Bn equals 2 times integral 0 to 1 f of x into sin pi n x into dx. We have f of x equals e raised to x, and thus we will obtain Bn equals this integral. In order to integrate this kind of functions, we have the general formula integral e raised to x sin bx into dx equals e raised to x upon a square plus b square multiplied to a sin bx minus b cos bx. Here we have a equals 1 and b equals n pi. Using this RHS, we will get this integral equals e raised to x divided by 1 plus n square pi square multiplied to sin n pi x minus n pi times cos n pi x, to which we will give upper and lower limits x equals 1 and x equals 0 respectively. In either of the cases, whether we give upper or lower limit, sine function will become 0. When you give x equals 1, here we will get minus n pi multiplied to cos n pi, where cos n pi equals -1 the whole raised to n. When you give x equals 0, this term will become minus n pi multiplied to cos 0, where cos 0 equals 1. Simultaneously, we will have for x equals 1, e raised to x becomes e raised to 1, which is e, and for x equals 0, e raised to 0 equals 1. Thus, we have, on simplification, Bn equals 2n pi upon 1 plus n square pi square multiplied to 1 minus e times -1 the whole raised to n. We have Fourier series, which is the Fourier half-range sine series for f of x equals e raised to x given by summation n ranges from 1 to infinity Bn sin pi n x. Giving the expression of Bn, we will obtain this Fourier half-range sine series for f of x equals e raised to x.